Hi besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kinela Kosana, popularly known as Say Your Key Nay. Hope you guys can hear me. Today we are at the South African Airforce Museum. There's an event that they're hosting. It's called an air show. Basically, it explains itself. It's an air show. We're just gonna watch airplanes, helicopters, drones, whatever you call them, flying around doing all these stunts. I can't wait. I'm almost at the entrance. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Haven't seen you guys in such a long time. I love you guys. Let's get the show started. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? I'm using different cameras. That's why. I was using my phone. My phone's dead, so I'm using my camera now. Let's see what can I show you guys. There's nothing here to see. So people are leaving. People are going home. Is it finished? Yeah. Is it finished? Yeah. That namakwa. But also the thing is, it was already finished when you started drinking it. So there
was something already.
There was
inside.
nothing in it.
There was. Do you think? Can you smell it?
There's nothing. I can smell the brutal fruit, not the namakwa.
So all along, alcohol plus.
I don't think so. Brutal fruit doesn't have a smell though. Wait, smell my breath.
So try it.
Come, no, you. Don't say that.
For somebody who doesn't drink, they can sense it.
Girl, bye.
Go ahead. Boy. Yeah.